In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the flagging feature in the Tradingview Watchlist. If you're a trader or investor, you know that staying organized is key to making informed decisions. Tradingview is a powerful platform that allows you to track and manage all the symbols you're interested in. One of its most helpful tools is the flagging feature in the watchlist. By using flags, you can prioritize certain symbols, group them by category, or simply make them stand out for easy tracking. And if you're new to TradingView, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of using this feature. First, open TradingView in your browser or the app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is where you'll find your watch list, which is the section that allows you to view and manage all the symbols you're currently tracking. The watch list is an essential part of the platform because it keeps everything you're monitoring in one convenient place. Now, locate the watch list on the right-hand side of your screen. In most cases, this section is always visible, no matter which part of the platform you're exploring. However, if you don't see it immediately, don't worry, it may be minimized, and you can expand it by clicking the appropriate tab or icon. Once you've found your watch list, hover your mouse over the symbols listed there. As you do this, you'll notice that a small flag icon appears next to each symbol. This is the key to marking and prioritizing the items in your list. By hovering, you make the flag option visible, so you can quickly access it without having to go through any extra steps. Now, go ahead and click the flag icon next to any symbol you want to highlight. Flagging is a simple but effective way to make certain symbols stand out. Whether you're prioritizing a stock, cryptocurrency, or another asset, using flags ensures that these important symbols don't get lost in the mix of your watch list. After clicking the flag icon, you'll be prompted to select a color for the flag. TradingView provides multiple color options, and you can assign meaning to these colors based on your personal needs. For example, you might use red flags for items that require urgent attention, green flags for active trades, or blue flags for symbols you're researching. Alternatively, you can create your own system, whatever helps you stay organized and focused. If you have more symbols to flag, simply repeat this process for each one. Just hover over the symbol, click the flag, and choose your color. Remember, you can always change or remove a flag later if your priorities shift. This flexibility makes the feature incredibly user-friendly and adaptable to your trading style. Now that you've flagged your chosen symbols, take a moment to review them in your watch list. You'll notice that the flagged items now stand out visually, making it much easier to spot the symbols that matter most to you at a glance. This is especially helpful if you have a long list of items and need to focus on a select few. Finally, make it a habit to revisit your watch list regularly. As your priorities change, you can update or adjust the flags to ensure your watchlist stays aligned with your current trading needs. This ongoing maintenance will help you stay organized and make better, faster decisions in your trading activities. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.